We think 1440p gaming is the future, and we're going to show you how you can get into 1440p gaming without breaking the bank.
For $1,300, we have the 7800 XT and a Ryzen 5 7600, and it's going to make a very awesome pairing for 1440p gaming, but just how great is it going to be? Well, we're going to dive into it and show you guys, but after a word from today's sponsor, Solidigm, and their awesome Gen 4 SSDs. Today's video sponsor is Solidigm and their P44 Pro Gen 4 NVMe SSD. These SSDs come packed with blazing fast speeds up to 7,000 megabytes per second. This SSD is 12 times faster than competing SATA SSDs. Not only is this SSD great for building an awesome gaming PC like we will today, but it can be used to upgrade your storage in the PlayStation 5. It also comes optimized with Solidym's Synergy, a free software that unlocks the true potential of your drive and monitors drive health, activity, temperatures, and more. With their top-tier durability and a 5-year warranty, the Solidigm P44 Pro should be on your shortlist for your next gaming PC build.
Solidigm is partnering with PC builders to give away high-performance gaming PCs all month long in the month of December, where a grand prize winner will receive a gaming PC that includes a Solidigm SSD, and 5 additional winners will receive a Solidigm P44 Pro SSD. You can enter the giveaway using the links in the description down below. Big thanks again to Solidigm for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get to building. For the CPU, right up here, we have the Ryzen 5 7600. This is a 6-core, 12-thread processor that does come with a stock cooler inside of this package, but we're going to be using an ID Cooling SE214 XT, which is a cooler that I have memorized the name. We've used it so many times, but it's a really nice sub $20 ARGB cooler, and yes, it does cool this really well. You really can just get away with the stock cooler because these are really efficient CPUs. And for the motherboard, we have this Gigabyte Aorus B650M Elite AX. That means it has the latest protocols of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and this is a pretty high-end micro ATX board. You could save some money, but we like the idea of the upgrade path. You got 4 RAM slots. You're actually going to have 2 8-pins for the CPU. You obviously have a lot of NVMe slots. You even have an extra PCIe lane to add expansion cards. So yeah, really nice board with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now, if you didn't know, a new 7000 series does require DDR5. You can't go DDR4. So we have some Teamgroup T-Force Vulcan DDR5. This is a 32 gig kit, 2x16 dual channel, 5600 megahertz. We went with just the stock black style. You can get some RGB RAM if you want to add some more RGB to the build, but we decided to go a little bit stealthy on some of the parts. And for the SSD, today's sponsor, we have the Solidigm 1TB NVMe SSD. This is the P44 Pro. It is a Gen 4 drive. And these guys clearly know what they're doing because they used to make Intel drives, so it doesn't get much better than that. And look at this, up to 7,000 megabytes per second. Those are some crazy read and write speeds that honestly a lot of Gen 4 drives usually lack in. They'll go pretty close to Gen 3 speeds and still claim they're Gen 4, but this company, yeah, true Gen 4 speeds.
Quick thanks to PowerColor for sitting over this GPU. This is the PowerColor Hellhound RX 7800 XT, 16 gigs of VRAM, an absolute awesome card for 1440p gaming. That's really what this card is designed for. You could get into some 4K gaming as well, but the idea of this build is to play at 1440p high settings with that 7600 because we'll be pushing a lot of the load on the GPU. So realistically, we shouldn't deal with any sort of bottlenecking when playing at 1440p with this card. I'm very excited to see how it performs. I have to go to PC Bros real quick to grab the power supply because I did not have it sitting there, but it's a Segotep. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back from PC Bros. God, it was such a journey. And we have the power supply, the Segotep 750 GM power supply, 80 plus gold, PCI 5.0 ready. So it does have that ATX 3.0 cable that you can use. This graphics card does not use it because it's AMD, but if you go NVIDIA, you have that option. And we've been very happy with these power supplies. Use them a lot in our PC builds here on the channel and at PC Bros. So very awesome option for this build. And to make that Segotep power supply just a little bit better, we have these black sleeve cables from Asia Horse. Again, you can save a little bit of money. You don't have to get these, but for a build at $1,300, it makes the build just look that much more premium. So we're very excited to use this in the PC build. And now for the case. Oh, reliable, ladies and gentlemen, DIYPC Q3BK. Now something we did realize is you want to go with the Q3 model, not the Q1 model. The Q1 model doesn't allow you to set the RGB fans to a static color. It always rotates the different RGB modes, and also it only fits smaller micro ATX boards. The Q3 has more room, so you can fit full-size micro ATX boards, and it has the RGB control with the 3 pre-installed RGB fans, and it's a really awesome price at $59 right now. Now, all in all, for $1,300, I think this is going to be an awesome 1440p gaming PC, but we're just going to show you guys. We're going to put it together, see how it performs, and also show you guys some of the performance that this Solidigm SSD has to offer.
Alright guys, we're playing some Halo Infinite, and of course we decided that we needed to run 1440p because that's kind of what we promised with this build. We're going to be running high settings, and obviously we're going for a high refresh rate experience, and we're looking pretty good. We're looking at like that 120 hertz, you know, close to the 144. Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
Not
got some
too
nice
bad.
OG Halo going on here.
And it's cool to see that GPU is clearly at 100%, so that CPU is not holding it back at all at 1440p.
Are you sure?
Oh, I just saw the spanker.
All right, well, he killed himself, so I'll take it. But yeah, we're looking really good. You know, if you wanted to get a higher refresh rate, still at 1440, you just tweak the settings slightly. I mean, medium settings would most definitely get you there.
Yeah. Not a bad little combo right here.
This is the ultimate grenade map right here. Just a nice straight line. Oh, no one took this? Okay. Oh, I thought that was my teammate. This is good. I'm liking the refresh rate too.
Yeah, buddy.
Get some nasty little headshots.
Playing 1440p, this is definitely in that AAA title territory, so we'll test some other games that are even more demanding, but so far it's looking really good. And that combo, 7800 XT and the 7600, works really well.
I got shot from every direction. I just not realized there was more than 1 point, TBH.
Oh, yeah, back smack. Oh, 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 yes. Mark, oh, yes. Oh, you almost had triple kill. Oh.
There we go, that was 3.
Nice. Oh, God, yep.
Louise. How did I not kill him? I'm grotesquely horrible at this game.
But you know what's not grotesquely horrible? This computer. This computer's pretty awesome. But you took an L.
Next game. But yeah, PC is definitely really good. Temps were looking pretty amazing actually for this case only having 3 fans. So it's going to go into the next game.
Next one. All right, guys, we are now in Fortnite 1440p DX12 on these settings. We are using TSR, so we are getting some upscaling help, but hey, getting 200 FPS in Fortnite at 1440p with upscaling. Caveat, upscaling. This isn't like true 1440p, but there is some upscaling going on. But hey, we have it, might as well use it. Like I would change to like a Christmas theme, then I still have these like demon skulls on my drop. It's like, it's perfect. Yeah, we'll land here and everything's really solid. I'm really impressed with the case in terms of airflow. One thing we did do is we flipped the fans, which you should do at home if you have a higher end build. Budget build's probably fine, but with this build, I want to make sure we are getting actual airflow coming into the case and not just running all exhaust. Am I going to die right here?
Ew. Ew.
Sorry, Corey.
Oh, Corey had no chance.
Nice, 200 FPS, not bad. And these settings are not like super performance settings either, so you do have a lot of flexibility. Especially when you're going DDR5 in 7000 series, esports titles do very well in getting like really high FPS numbers. Okay. This feels very AI-like.
Prisoner.
Prisoner. Hey.
Oh my gosh, that's a gamer if I'd ever seen
Yeah,
one.
but they ain't doing anything on me, boy.
Man, they just started throwing up a tower.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, buddy.
Ooh.
Oh. Ah!
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh. Are you?
Oh, he's building on
Were you
you.
trying to box me in? Just stand still there. The beautiful scenery that is Fortnite.
I got a new elimination. Dang.
Oh, that was a great drop.
God. Dude, they turned around so slow.
Well, that's Fortnite, ladies and gentlemen. Fortnite, very playable, 11 kills, nice FPS. You can definitely go more performance settings if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump out here and just see if someone happens to be hanging out, but Yeah, really awesome experience with this PC. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to play some other games. Some games that really push this thing to its limits. That is a moving bush.
Oh, wild comb. You've been wilded.
Let's play some other games.
Alright guys, we just got done doing some 1440p benchmarking on our gaming PC, and it did really well. We managed to maintain over 100 FPS in really everything we threw at it, and the fact that we can play AAA titles and esports titles and maintain those FPS at 1440p is pretty cool.
Shout out to Solidigm for sponsoring today's video and sending over that awesome P44 Pro SSD. If you're building a gaming PC today, you should definitely use that drive. And yeah, very happy with this build overall, and that 7800 XT is an awesome graphics card for 1440p gaming, especially when you're building a PC $1,500 or less. So if you're gonna build this PC yourself, check the links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links and they will help us out. Let us know what you think of this PC down below and what other PC build guides you want to see here on the channel.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
This PC right here will be available at PCBros.tech, and yes, it's already been tested by us, and it's gonna come with their 1-year warranty, so you got nothing to worry about.
PCBros.tech. We sell computers. That's all you gotta know. Use code ToastyBros to check out and save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.